Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will uncover the secrets to organic social media growth. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over understanding organic growth and creating quality content. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's digital landscape, organic social media growth has become a vital strategy for brands and individuals alike. In this video, we'll dive into the world of organic growth strategies, exploring how to enhance your online presence without relying on paid promotions. We'll cover practical tips and techniques that can help you engage your audience authentically, from creating compelling content to leveraging community interactions. As social media enthusiasts, you know that building genuine connections is key to fostering brand loyalty. Organic growth not only boosts your visibility, but also cultivates trust among your followers. By focusing on meaningful engagement rather than just numbers, you can create a loyal community that resonates with your brand values. So whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or simply looking to enhance your personal brand, this video will equip you with the insights you need to thrive organically in the ever-evolving social media landscape. Let's get started. Understanding organic growth. Organic growth in social media refers to the process of increasing your audience and engagement through natural interactions rather than paid advertising. Unlike paid promotions, which can deliver quick results, organic growth focuses on building relationships and trust over time. This approach not only fosters a loyal community, but also enhances your brand's authenticity. One of the key benefits of organic growth is its cost effectiveness. By investing time and creativity instead of money, brands can cultivate a genuine following that is more likely to engage and convert. Additionally, organic growth allows for more meaningful interactions, as followers are drawn to your content because they resonate with your message. Several successful brands have exemplified organic growth strategies. For instance, brands like Glossier and Patagonia have built strong communities by prioritizing customer engagement and authentic storytelling. These examples highlight how focusing on organic growth can lead to lasting success and a devoted customer base. Embracing this approach can transform your social media presence. Creating quality content. High-quality content is the cornerstone of organic growth on social media. Engaging, informative, and visually appealing content not only captures attention, but also encourages sharing, which can significantly expand your reach. When your audience finds value in what you post, they are more likely to interact and spread the word about your brand. To resonate well with audiences, consider incorporating various types of content, such as videos, infographics, and interactive polls. Videos in particular are highly effective for storytelling and can convey complex information in an easily digestible format. Infographics can simplify data and make it visually appealing, making it easier for your audience to understand and share. Consistency in posting is equally important. By maintaining a regular schedule, you keep your audience engaged and eager for more. This not only helps in building anticipation, but also reinforces your brand presence. Remember, the more value you provide through quality content, the stronger your organic growth will be. Leveraging hashtags and trends. Using hashtags and trends effectively can significantly boost your visibility on social media. The first step is to research relevant hashtags that align with your niche. This ensures that your content reaches the right audience who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Tools like hashtag generators and social media analytics can help you identify the most effective tags for your posts. Participating in trending topics is another powerful way to increase your reach and engagement. When you join conversations that are currently capturing attention, you can attract new followers who are interested in those discussions. Just make sure your contributions are authentic and add value to the conversation. For optimal results, balance popular hashtags with niche-specific ones. While popular hashtags can expose your content to a larger audience, niche hashtags help you connect with a more targeted group. This combination allows you to maximize your visibility while still engaging with a community that resonates with your brand. Engaging with your audience. Audience engagement is crucial for driving organic growth on social media. When you actively respond to comments and messages, you foster a sense of community and make your followers feel valued. This two-way communication not only strengthens relationships but also encourages more interaction, leading to increased visibility for your content. Hosting Kwanda sessions or live streams is another effective way to engage your audience. These formats allow for real-time interaction, giving your followers the opportunity to ask questions and share their thoughts. This not only boosts engagement, but also positions you as an approachable and knowledgeable figure in your niche. Additionally, creating polls or surveys can involve your audience in the content creation process. By asking for their opinions or preferences, you not only gather valuable insights, but also make your followers feel like they have a stake in your brand. This collaborative approach enhances loyalty and encourages your audience to return for more, driving organic growth in the long run. Analyzing performance metrics. Tracking performance metrics is essential for understanding and driving your organic growth on social media. By monitoring key metrics such as engagement rate and reach, you can gauge how well your content resonates with your audience. Engagement rate reflects how actively your followers interact with your posts, while reach indicates how many people see your content. Together, these metrics provide valuable insights into your overall performance. Utilizing analytics tools can further enhance your understanding of audience behavior. These tools can reveal patterns in how your followers engage with different types of content, helping you identify what works best. By analyzing this data, you can make informed decisions about your content strategy. Adjusting your strategies based on performance data is crucial for continuous improvement. If certain posts perform exceptionally well, consider creating similar content. Conversely, if something isn't resonating, don't hesitate to pivot your approach. This ongoing analysis and adaptation will ensure that your organic growth remains steady and aligned with your audience's preferences. Collaborating with influencers. Partnering with influencers can significantly enhance your organic growth on social media. Influencers already have established audiences that trust their recommendations, making them valuable allies in expanding your reach. By collaborating with influencers in your niche, you can tap into their follower base, gaining exposure to potential customers who are genuinely interested in your products or services. To find the right influencers for your brand, start by researching individuals who align with your values and target audience. Look for influencers whose content resonates with your brand message and who engage authentically with their followers. Tools like social media analytics and influencer databases can help you identify suitable candidates. Encouraging authentic collaborations is key to success. When influencers genuinely believe in your brand, their endorsements will resonate more with their audience, leading to higher engagement and trust. Focus on creating partnerships that feel natural and mutually beneficial, as this authenticity will not only enhance your brand's credibility, but also foster a loyal community around your offerings. In conclusion, we've explored several key strategies for achieving organic social media growth. We discussed the importance of creating high-quality content that engages and informs your audience, as well as leveraging hashtags and trends to boost your visibility. Engaging with your audience through comments, Quanda sessions, and polls can foster a strong community, while analyzing performance metrics helps you refine your approach for continuous improvement. Collaborating with influencers can also expand your reach and enhance your brand's credibility. Remember, consistency and genuine engagement are crucial in building a loyal audience. By regularly posting valuable content and interacting with your followers, you can cultivate lasting relationships that drive organic growth. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights like this video and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore our other content for additional tips and strategies to elevate your social media presence. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from Additional Source Income, Money Strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.